Hello everybody, and this is Bill the Adjuster with today's Smart Claim tip. We're swimming in it is the title of today's tip. See if this makes any sense, but it's probably going to start to happen right about now with people moving outside and getting closer to setting up their outdoor living area. So first of all, oh no, could it have been snow? It's possible. This happens to be my backyard, by the way, only teasing. Snow generally creates conditions to outdoor structures like swimming pools that can cause substantial damage. So the weight of the snow itself on top of covers, it can happen. Ice can affect pools, which can be a challenging coverage issue, but it can be related to cover damage. But it's very possible when you undo your outdoor backyard, you uncover things, you may find that the snow had caused damage. What a sin, they say! The swimming pool got damaged. Well, above ground pools are highly susceptible, as well as in-ground pools, but above ground pools tend to be damaged more easily. Wind often can create lots of things that ultimately will damage the pool, and if you're not aware of the things that may have damaged the pool, you may actually be not looking at it as a covered claim. A lot of times you're going to have branches that break through the pool cover, patio furniture that blows in the pool. Now, above ground or in-ground pools are both susceptible to the same. The difference is when the cover gets broken, it may trigger additional damage. It may trigger a pump to start running. It may break a liner. When patio furniture goes into a structure like a pool, the glass may be contaminating that pool, or those chair legs or that glass may damage a liner. But they're complicated issues between the two, but often they will create ensuing damage that should be covered under the policy. So tree branches going through a pool cover, tree branches that land on a pool surface, the side walls, the coping. Wind-blown debris in a pool tends to be a big issue throughout the winter. Collapse from the weight of snow. Now, granted, weight of ice and snow will generally exclude the collapse of a pool. Ironically, collapse due to weight of snow is covered. It's when they're combined. Now, there are policies that even exclude that, but most do cover collapses from the weight of snow. And the Northeast Corridor, the Midwest, all had substantial snow this winter. So it's very possible when you go outside and there is damage from that weight of snow, it is specific in the policy that most policies that it can't be weight of ice and snow, can only be weight of snow. Shattered glass in a pool can ruin the liner, can contaminate the pool, can ruin a filter, can be relatively expensive to fully clean out. So you have to be cautious. Most of that glass is tempered, which can again be a little bit complicated, can get stuck in the filtration systems and in the lines. So pool liners and covers can be $4,000, $5,000, $10,000, but it all certainly happens. So, oh no, it might be snow. Please take a look carefully and understand that the winter perils may actually affect your swimming pools. I hope you enjoyed our video today. I'm Bill the Adjuster. Again, we offer free policy reviews, annual property inspections, any communication method you'd like. If you'd like to contact us through our email, you can directly email us at smartclaim@metropa.com, or if you want to email or contact the Metro Claim rep that actually invited you on this call, that'd be great as well. Thanks again. I'm Bill the Adjuster. Hope you enjoyed it.